Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone. Few things are more discouraging than putting in the work and effort to learn a foreign language, only to not use it for a while and forget a large part of what you studied. Once you have a good handle on a language, it's not hard to practice it so that it stays in the forefront of your mind. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 practical ways you can make your target language a part of your daily life so that you don't forget it. Number 1. Use language exchanges. The idea behind a language exchange is that you find someone who fluently speaks your target language and is also interested in learning your native language. During the exchange, you spend half the time speaking in the language you're learning and the other half in the language they're learning. This kind of exchange is a great way to practice your speaking skills and cement the material you've learned into your brain. One great thing about practicing through a language exchange is that your language partner is a fellow language learner. They will be able to sympathize with your struggles and even give you some insightful tips from their own personal experience. Most major cities will have at least one meetup or language club where you can practice languages with people from around the world. But sometimes it can be hard to find people who speak the language you're learning. If you can't find a local exchange, or if there are no native speakers in your city, you can connect with native speakers through online language exchanges. There are numerous free sites that allow you to search for users based on country and language and have a text, audio, or video practice session. Number 2. Immerse yourself digitally. Most phones, laptops, and apps will allow you to change the language of their interface. Why not change it to your target language? This simple change may seem small, but it can actually be an effective way to reinforce your use of the language. Your language skills are like a muscle. If you use them on a regular basis, then your skill in the language will be in good shape. The more you use your language skills, the easier it will be to remember things. However, if you go for long stretches without using the language, then you might have a problem. Those linguistic muscles will start to get weak before too long, and you'll notice a drop in your language ability. Simply changing the language on your electronic devices won't equate to any heavy lifting in a foreign language, but it could be comparable to a warm-up or a quick workout. Remember that you probably use electronic devices every day. If you can use at least some of that time thinking in your target language while using them each week, that adds up to a huge amount of time and can keep your knowledge fresh. Number 3. Teach others a language. You don't have to be an expert in a new language to lend a hand to another language learner. Helping a beginner through the language will not only make you feel good about helping someone out, it will also help you use the language and keep your skills sharp. Remember those language exchanges we talked about? Well, what if you looked for other learners so that you could help them in the language? Don't worry if you don't feel qualified to teach the language. They're not looking to get their PhD in linguistics. Most likely, a new learner would appreciate someone who's been down the road before, someone to show them some common pitfalls and shortcuts. Have you ever been a complete newbie in something and been graciously helped by someone with more experience? Pay it forward and be that expert to someone else. Your language muscles will thank you for it. Number 4. Keep a journal or blog. Writing out your thoughts in a foreign language is one of the best ways to sharpen your skills. It forces you to take time to construct sentences, and it will reveal your weak points very quickly. Journaling is also one of the easiest and cheapest ways to practice. All you need is a pen and a notebook. If you're not the journaling type, don't worry. You don't have to write an autobiography. Simply recounting your day or describing an experience will be enough to get your language juices flowing. The entries can be long, but they don't have to be. This exercise is flexible and can take any shape you want. Try writing short daily entries. You can even post them online for native speakers to correct. This way, you can hold yourself accountable and write regularly. There are several free sites that allow you to post an entry and have it reviewed by native speakers. Number 5. Entertain yourself in the language. Books, movies, YouTube videos, language learning websites, music, the list goes on. There's an endless supply of media out there, so you're likely to find something that interests you in your target language. Whether you love sports, rock music, or sewing, you're sure to find something to entertain you in your target language. Learning a language is hard, but remembering it doesn't have to be. These ideas are here to help jumpstart your brain. These aren't the only ways to practice your target language either. Do your best to use the language on a daily basis and make it a part of your everyday life. Remember, all languages aren't just spoken, they're lived. And for even more ways to use your target language every day, check out our complete language learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account by clicking on the link in the description. Get tons of resources to have you speaking in your target language. And if you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a new language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Mars. March. Mars. Mars. March. Maintenant, c'est avril, donc le mois dernier, c'était mars. It is now April, so last month was March. Maintenant, c'est avril, donc le mois dernier, c'était mars. Avril. April. Avril. Avril. April. Le 1er avril. April 1st. Le 1er avril. Mai. May. Mai. Mai. May. Fleur de mai. Mayflowers. Fleur de mai. Juin. June. Juin. Juin. June. Mariage en juin. June wedding. Mariage en juin. Juillet. July. Juillet. Juillet. July. Mois de juillet. Month of July. Mois de juillet. Août. August. Août. Août. August. L'école est fermée en août. The school is closed in August. L'école est fermée en août. Septembre. September. Septembre. Septembre. September. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi 10 septembre. Today is Saturday, September 10th. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi 10 septembre. Octobre. October. Octobre. Octobre. October. Halloween tombe le 31 octobre. Halloween falls on October 31st. Halloween tombe le 31 octobre. Novembre. November. Novembre. Novembre. November. Novembre est un des 4 mois qui compte 30 jours. November is one of the 4 months with 30 days. Novembre est un des 4 mois qui compte 30 jours. Décembre. December. Décembre. Décembre. December. Vendredi 8 décembre. Friday, December 8th. Vendredi 8 décembre. Mars. March. Avril. April. Mai. May. Juin. June. Juillet. July. Août. August. Septembre. September. Octobre. October. Novembre. November. Décembre. December. Aujourd'hui. Today. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Today. Aujourd'hui, il fait beau. Today is sunny. Aujourd'hui, il fait beau. Hier. Yesterday. Hier. Hier. Yesterday. Venir hier. Come yesterday. Venir hier. Demain. Tomorrow. Demain. Demain. Tomorrow. À demain. See you tomorrow. À demain. Semaine. Week. Semaine. Semaine. Week. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Année. Year. Année. Année. Year. Année prochaine. Next year. Année prochaine. Année prochaine. Seconde. Second. Seconde. Seconde. Second. Juste une seconde. Just a second. Juste une seconde. Minute. 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 Il y a 60 secondes dans une minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Il y a 60 secondes dans une minute. Heure. Hour. Heure. Heure. Hour. Je dors 8 heures par jour. I sleep for 8 hours every day. Je dors 8 heures par jour. Pendule. Clock. Pendule. Pendule. Clock. La pendule affiche midi moins 8. The clock reads 8 minutes to 12. La pendule affiche midi moins 8. Heure. O'clock. Heure. Heure. O'clock. Rendez-vous à la gare à 9 heures. Let's meet at the station at 9 o'clock. Rendez-vous à la gare à 9 heures. Aujourd'hui. Today. Hier. Yesterday. Demain. Tomorrow. Semaine. Week. Année. Year. Seconde. Second. Minute. Minute. Heure. Hour. Pendule. Clock. Heure. O'clock. Calendrier. Calendar. Calendrier. Calendrier. Calendar. J'ai noté notre anniversaire dans le calendrier. I marked our anniversary on the calendar. J'ai noté notre anniversaire dans le calendrier. Lundi. Monday. Lundi. Lundi. Monday. La semaine de travail commence lundi. The work week starts on Monday. La semaine de travail commence lundi. Mardi. Tuesday. Mardi. Mardi. Tuesday. Mardi 1er janvier. Tuesday, January 1st. Mardi 1er janvier. Mercredi. Wednesday. Mercredi. Mercredi. Wednesday. Le mercredi 18. Wednesday the 18th. Le mercredi 18. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi 3 janvier. Thursday, January 3rd. Jeudi 3 janvier. Vendredi. Friday. Vendredi. Vendredi. Friday. La semaine de travail se termine le vendredi. The work week ends on Friday. La semaine de travail se termine le vendredi. Samedi. Saturday. Samedi. Samedi. Saturday. Pas de projet pour samedi. No plan for Saturday. Pas de projet pour samedi. Dimanche. Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. Sunday. Petit déjeuner du dimanche. Sunday morning breakfast. Petit déjeuner du dimanche. Faire. Do. Faire. Faire. Do. J'ai tellement de choses à faire. I have so much work to do. J'ai tellement de choses à faire. Allez. Go. Allez. Allez. Go. Aller au magasin. Go to the store. Aller au magasin. Calendrier. Calendar. Lundi. Monday. Mardi. Tuesday. Mercredi. Wednesday. Jeudi. Thursday. Vendredi. Friday. Samedi. Saturday. Dimanche. Sunday. Faire. Do. Aller. Go. Rire. Laugh. Rire. Rire. Laugh. Le couple rit à une blague. The couple is laughing at a joke. Le couple rit à une blague. Délicieux. Delicious. Délicieux. Délicieux. Delicious. Dessert délicieux. Delicious desserts. Dessert délicieux. Eau. Water. Eau. Eau. Water. Puis-je avoir de l'eau, s'il vous plaît? Can I have some water, please? Puis-je avoir de l'eau, s'il vous plaît? Thé. Tea. Thé. Thé. Tea. Tasse de thé. Cup of tea. Tasse de thé. Café. Coffee. Café. Café. Coffee. Café frais. Freshly brewed coffee. Café frais. Bière. Beer. Bière. Bière. Beer. Bière fraîche. Cold beer. Bière fraîche. Vin. Wine. Vin. Vin. Wine. Verre de vin. Glass of wine. Verre de vin. Bœuf. Beef. Bœuf. Bœuf. Beef. Steak de bœuf. Beef steak. Steak de bœuf. Poulet. Chicken. Poulet. Poulet. Chicken. Poulet rôti. Roast chicken. Poulet rôti. Porc. Pork. Porc. Porc. Pork. Le porc est la viande de cochon. Pork is meat from a pig. Le porc est de la viande de cochon. Rire. Laugh. Délicieux. Delicious. Eau. Water. Thé. Tea. Café. Coffee. Bière. Beer. Vin. Wine. Bœuf. Beef. Poulet. Chicken. Porc. Pork. In this video, you learned 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody, my name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you've learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is bonjour. Hello. Bonjour. Bonjour. Hello. Quand je rencontre une personne, je dis bonjour. When I meet someone, I say hello. Quand je rencontre une personne, je dis bonjour. Bon après-midi. Have a nice afternoon. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Have a nice afternoon. Bon après-midi, mademoiselle. Have a nice afternoon, miss. Bon après-midi, mademoiselle. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir, bienvenue. Good evening, welcome. Bonsoir, bienvenue. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit, mon ami. Good night, my friend. Bonne nuit, mon ami. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Nice to meet you. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Nice to meet you. Enchanté de vous rencontrer, monsieur. Nice to meet you, sir. Enchanté de vous rencontrer, monsieur. Comment vas-tu? How are you? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Ça fait longtemps. Comment vas-tu? It's been a long time. How are you? Ça fait longtemps. Comment vas-tu? Oui. Yes. Oui. Oui. Yes. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Yes, please. Oui, S'il vous plaît. Non. No. Non. 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 Non merci. No thanks. Non merci. Merci. Thank you. Merci. Merci. Thank you. Merci beaucoup pour l'invitation. Thank you very much for the invitation. Merci beaucoup pour l'invitation. Je m'appelle. I'm. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. I'm. Je m'appelle John. I'm John. Je m'appelle John. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir, à bientôt. Goodbye, see you soon. Au revoir, à bientôt. Mauvais. Bad. Mauvais. Mauvais. Bad. C'est un mauvais garçon. He is a bad boy. C'est un mauvais garçon. Bon. Good. Bon. Bon. Good. Les légumes sont bons pour vous. Vegetables are good for you. Les légumes sont bons pour vous. Belle. Beautiful. Belle. Belle. Beautiful. Très beau. Very beautiful. Très beau. Laid. Ugly. Laid. Laid. Ugly. Visage laid. Ugly face. Visage laid. Facile. Easy. Facile. Facile. Easy. Ce problème est facile. This problem is easy. Ce problème est facile. Difficile. Difficult. Difficile. Difficile. Difficult. Très difficile. Very difficult. Très difficile. Près de. Near. Près de. Près de. Near. Je vis près de l'université. I live near the university. Je vis près de l'université. Loin. Far. loin, loin. Far. La gare est loin d'ici. The station is far from here. La gare est loin d'ici. Petit. Small. Petit. Petit. Small. Ce pull est trop petit. This sweater is too small. Ce pull est trop petit. Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in French. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources at FrenchPod101.com. See you next time! Au revoir!
Bonjour, je m'appelle Grégory Gauthier. Enchanté. Je viens de Paris.
In the next minute, you'll be challenged to introduce yourself, including where you're from. First, let's look at some examples.
Je m'appelle Hugues. Enchanté.
Je m'appelle Marc. Enchanté.
Je m'appelle Karen. Enchantée.
Let's practice.
Vous rencontrez Grégory Gauthier pour la première fois. Présentez-vous et répondez à la question.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Grégory Gauthier. Enchanté.
Now share where you're from. Here are some examples.
Je viens de New York.
Je viens de Seattle.
Je viens de Londres.
Are you ready?
D'où venez-vous?
How did you do? You can consider this practice exercise successful if you were able to answer in the given time, completed a pattern with your name and hometown, and used the sentence pattern featured in this example.
Je m'appelle Marc. Enchanté. Je viens de New York.
Try this practice exercise again if you want to improve your fluency or skill in any of these areas.
Are you struggling to understand conversations in your target language? This video will improve your listening skills using practice dialogues. How do you know if your language skills are improving? Our team of teachers have designed a free quiz to determine your actual learning level. So click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for you. In this lesson, you'll listen to a dialogue with the text. Second, you'll review the key vocabulary, followed by the English translations. And finally, you'll review the dialogue with the text again to master what you've learned. First, listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Marcel, la fille devant est vraiment belle. Ah oui, elle est très belle. Elle est seule aussi. Oui, comme toi. Elle est belle, elle est seule. Et moi, je suis amoureux. Tu es amoureux? Déjà?
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Fille,
Girl, daughter.
fille, fille. Devant,
In front, ahead.
Devant. Devant. Vraiment.
Really.
Vraiment. Vraiment. Être.
To be.
Être. Être. Très.
Very.
Très. Très. Beau. Belle.
Beautiful. Handsome. Pretty.
Beau. Belle. Beau. Belle. Seul.
Alone. Sole. Single. Lonely. Only.
Seul. Seul. Aussi.
Two. Also.
Aussi. Aussi. Comme.
As. Like.
Comme. Comme. Toi.
You.
Toi. Et.
And.
Et. Et. Déjà.
Already.
Déjà. Déjà.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Marcel, la fille devant est vraiment belle. Ah oui, elle est très belle. Elle est seule aussi. Oui, comme toi. Elle est belle, elle est seule. Et moi, je suis amoureux. Tu es amoureux? Déjà?
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for your learning level. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson. Are you struggling to understand conversations in your target language? This video will improve your listening skills using practice dialogues. How do you know if your language skills are improving? Our team of teachers have designed a free quiz to determine your actual learning level. So click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for you. In this lesson, you'll listen to a dialogue with the text. Second, you'll review the key vocabulary followed by the English translations. And finally, you'll review the dialogue with the text again to master what you learned. First, listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Jacques.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Mireille.
Enchanté. Vous aimez le café?
Oui, j'aime beaucoup le café ici. Les biscuits aussi sont excellents.
Moi, je mange souvent ici. J'habite près. Et vous, vous habitez?
Ah, je suis en retard. À bientôt.
À bientôt, Mireille. À bientôt.
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Enchanté.
Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you.
Enchanté. Enchanté. Aimer.
To like, to love.
Aimer. Aimer. Beaucoup.
A lot.
Beaucoup. Beaucoup. Ici.
Here.
Ici. Ici. Souvent.
Often.
Souvent. Souvent. Manger.
To eat.
Manger. Manger. Habiter.
To reside, to live.
Habiter. Habiter. Près.
Near, close.
Près. Près. En retard.
late for something.
En retard. En retard. À bientôt.
See you soon.
À bientôt. À bientôt. Biscuit.
Cookie.
Biscuit. Biscuit. Excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent. Excellent. Café.
Coffee. Coffee shop.
Café. Café.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Jacques.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Mireille.
Enchanté. Vous aimez le café?
Oui, j'aime beaucoup le café ici. Les biscuits aussi sont excellents.
Moi, je mange souvent ici. J'habite près. Et vous, vous habitez?
Ah, je suis en retard. À bientôt.
À bientôt, Mireille. À bientôt.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for your learning level. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.
Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, what kind of movies do you like? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about movies and ask other people about their favorite kinds of movies. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Talking About Movies and TV PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Quel genre de film aimez-vous?
J'aime les films d'horreur.
Once more with the English translation.
Quel genre de film aimez-vous?
What kind of movies do you like?
J'aime les films d'horreur.
I like horror movies. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
Quel genre de film aimez-vous?
listen to it again.
Quel genre de film aimez-vous? Quel genre de film aimez-vous?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
J'aime le, la, les.
type of movie. I like type of movie. For example, I like horror movies.
J'aime les films d'horreur. J'aime les films d'horreur.
Here are a few more kinds of movies you can use with the same pattern to talk about movies. Horror movies.
Film d'horreur. Film d'horreur.
Comedy.
Comédie. Comédie.
Fantasy.
Fantastique. Fantastique.
Romantic comedy.
Comédie romantique. Comédie romantique.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Quel genre de film aimez-vous? J'aime les comédies. Quel genre de film aimez-vous? J'aime le fantastique. Quel genre de film aimez-vous? J'aime les comédies romantiques.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "What kind of movies do you like?"
Quel genre de film aimez-vous?
Imagine you like comedies. Do you remember how to say comedy?
Comédie. Comédie.
Say, I like comedies.
J'aime les comédies.
Now answer the question saying that you like comedies.
Quel genre de film aimez-vous? J'aime les comédies.
Now imagine that you like fantasy movies. Do you remember how to say fantasy?
Fantastique. Fantastique.
Say, I like fantasy movies.
J'aime le fantastique.
Now, answer the question saying you like fantasy movies.
Quel genre de film aimez-vous? J'aime le fantastique.
Now, imagine that you like romantic comedy movies. Do you remember how to say romantic comedy?
Comédie romantique. Comédie romantique.
Say, I like romantic comedy movies.
J'aime les comédies romantiques.
Now answer the question saying you like romantic comedy movies.
Quel genre de film aimez-vous? J'aime les comédies romantiques.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about movies. You are now able to talk about types of movies like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us what your favorite kind of movie is. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.